I'll be talking to you guys about this bomb wig I got from Ishow hair. So if you guys are interested in any specs on this wig, then please keep watching. So as I said, this wig is from Ishow. I am starting off by flat ironing my part. Basically, I made a middle part, you guys, and I just want to hot comb the sides to make sure that it's super flat. I love my installs to be super natural, and this wig is definitely at a natural density. So in this video, I'm just gonna style her, and I love starting off with my hot comb, you guys. Once I use my hot comb, I'm gonna go and flat iron this entire unit. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how the hair is super soft and it's not getting tangled. I'm running my hands through it. It's at a natural density, you guys, and it's honestly super, super soft and silky. So I dyed this hair jet black. That's why the lace looks a little weird. The lace is really good, you guys, but the color is a little off right now, and that's my fault. This wig is from Ishow hair, you guys. I absolutely love this wig. As you guys can see, it's a frontal unit. I am wearing this unit glueless with no baby hairs, just giving you guys scalp illusion. So this hair is definitely at a natural density. I did get this in the inches, I think 24 or 26. I will have it linked down in the description bar. The ends are nice. They could be cut a little bit. They are kind of scraggly, but so far so good. I don't have any shedding. I did go in and bleach the knots. This hair is super soft. I love the luster. I love the texture on this unit. It's not giving me any troubles, like I said, no shedding or anything like that, no tangling. I love the length of this unit. This is definitely giving me everyday density, everyday throw on wig and go. Lace was also good quality, so if you guys are looking for a wig that's like everyday, you can throw your wig on, throw it off, you know, super cute, I definitely suggest this wig. I think it's super nice. It's straightened very well, and like I said, it gives a nice natural density, so it's perfect for every day. So if you guys are interested, I will leave everything down in my description bar. Do not forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.